Hello and welcome to Code Plus. Today we will discuss about various types of operators in C++. Operators are the foundation of any programming language. Thus, the functionality of C++ is incomplete without the use of operators. We can define operators as symbols that help us to perform specific mathematical and logical computations on operands. In other words, we can say that an operator operates on the operands. For example, consider the statement C equal to A plus B. Here, plus and equal to are addition and assignment operators, and A, B, C are operands. The operators inform the compiler to add the value of the operands A and B and assign the value to C. There are many types of built-in operators. We can classify them by number of operands, unary, binary and ternary. Again, we can classify the operators by their operations. Unary operator operates or works with a single operand. Similarly, binary and ternary operators operate on 2 and 3 operands respectively. Now we will learn about 7 types of operators. There are 2 types of unary operators. Plus plus increases and minus minus decreases the value of the operand by 1. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical or arithmetic operations. For example, we use star to multiply values of 2 operands. Relational operators are used for comparison between the values of 2 operands. For example, checking if one operand is equal to the other operand or not. Logical operators are used to combine 2 or more conditions or complement the evaluation of the original condition. The result of the operation of a logical operator is a Boolean value, either true or false. For example, the logical AND operator returns true when both of the conditions are satisfied. Otherwise, it returns false. Bitwise operators are used to perform bit-level operations. The operators are first converted to bit level and then the calculation is performed on the operands. The mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. can be performed at bit level for faster processing. The assignment operators are used to assign value to a variable. The left side operand of the assignment operator is a variable and right side is a value. For example, equal to operator is used to assign the value on the right side to the variable on the left side. Plus equal to operator first adds the current value of the variable on the left to the right and then assign the result to the variable on the left. The ternary or conditional operator is kind of similar to else if statement, as it follows the same algorithm of else if. But conditional operator takes less space and helps to write the else if statement in the shortest way possible. Here, expression 1 is the condition to be evaluated. If the condition or expression 1 is true, then expression 2 will be executed and the result will be returned. Otherwise, if the expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be executed and the result will be returned. For example, if m is greater than n, then first cout will be displayed. Otherwise, the second cout will be displayed. So this is all for today's session. For more benefits and to get updated, subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share with your friends and comment down your queries. Keep learning and keep coding. See you in the next video.